Hi, so today I'm going to be talking about an issue that we've experienced with a few clients recently who have been trying to register for Amazon Brand Registry. And the issue has happened when the application's been processed and Amazon have come back to the seller and told them that the brand registry application has been rejected because the seller's Amazon seller account has been involved with abusive conduct. Now that of course rings alarm bells straight away because the sellers are thinking, hang on a minute, I know nothing about this. They check the Amazon seller account, all the metrics are in perfect health. They have no performance notifications. So straight away, it's a bit of a mystery as to why are Amazon saying that the account has been involved with abusive conduct when the seller account just appears to be in perfect health. So what we found the last few times is that all these sellers who have had this message have all been retailers who are selling on Amazon UK only, and they've tried to register for Amazon Brand Registry and it's been rejected, and the reason it's been rejected is due to the seller account being involved with abusive activity. So what we've realised is that although these accounts have been operating on Amazon UK, what they might not have realised is they've got dormant accounts set up on Amazon Europe. So this is something that quite often happens when you register for Amazon the first time within the UK. Amazon will set up Amazon France, Amazon Germany, Amazon Italy, Amazon Spanish accounts. And if you're not using them, they quite often become dormant and you might not even realise that they're there. Now, if you've been selling on Amazon for a few years, there's probably become a point where at some point your charge method or your credit card has expired and you've needed to update that onto Amazon UK. Now, at the same time, when that's happened in the past, what will have happened is Amazon France and Amazon Germany, etc. will have also requested that you update the card details. Now, if you're not operating on those platforms, you've probably not even realised that that's needed to be done. So what quite often happens then is because you've not updated your card details in Amazon France or Amazon Germany, etc., those accounts get suspended. So then what happens is when you go to register for Amazon Brand Registry in the UK, you then receive a message saying we're rejecting it because the account has been involved with abusive activity. Now what that actually means is that actually one of your other accounts that you might not even be using, Amazon Germany for example, is actually suspended because your card details have expired and they need updating. And that's all it is. It's a really simple fix. So all you need to do is, if you are receiving that message that you've been involved with abusive conduct, go and check all the other Amazon countries that are set up within your account and go through each one, even if you're not selling on those accounts, and check that there's no performance notifications and check that those accounts have not been suspended. Because quite often what will have happened is the card will have expired in one of those countries, and because you've not updated the details, Amazon have then suspended the account. But luckily it's a really easy fix. All you need to do is update your card details within Amazon Seller Central and then just reapply for Amazon Brand Registry, and then the application should go through fine. So hopefully that helps if you've been receiving this message about abusive content when you've been trying to register for Amazon Brand Registry. But if you have any other issues with Amazon Brand Registry, just please contact us at www.sellerpresso.com or just drop us an email. Our email address is in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching.